Wow, this VW T1 Rockster from Hot Wheels Redline Club is heavy. And first thing I like about this Rockster, designed by the Hot Wheels design team, is the beautiful Spectra frame, mirror finish paint job on its body. And if you are a carded collector who like to keep your casting inside the blister, the RLC card is perfect because you can admire your Rockster from the reverse side or the clear blister. And behind the card it says how the Hot Wheels design team inject all this crazy idea onto this Rockster. And now let's free the VW T1 out of the blister. The T1 is a heavy casting and I really like the dual Spectra frame and pearl white paint job on its body. This T1 is very detailed, and being RLC, I'm happy that Mattel give the real rider treatment to this spare wheel. You can also see the rugged Rockster typeface at the rear, which is very nice. I love these off-road wheels with star rim, and needless to say, along with all its fine details. This monster machine will look very awesome in photography, and it will look even better with some of my favorite add-on effects. These are from Tamashi Effects from Bandai. It's sort of a smash effect that will look very nice with action figures, but I also use it for diecast photography as well. It's very modular and it will work very well with castings that comes with off-road wheels, and you can have endless configuration and fun with this setting. Thanks everyone, bye!